Hello engineer, welcome back to the channel smartkembo discover science. Today I'm going to show you this another project. So project is based on home automation with a mobile phone. So I'm going to control this bulb with a mobile phone. So I'm going to send SMS to this, and then one by one will be on and off. Also we have this socket, so you can power your computer, your television, or anything you need. So let's get started. So now you need to have a mobile number. So this is my mobile number, and then I'm going to write an SMS to turn on one by one. So first let's get started with lamp 1. So I'm typing lamp 1 on, and then send. After send SMS, lamp will be on. So as you see, the lamp now is on. Also, let's type for lamp 2. Lamp 2 also on, and then send. So you see, lamp 2 will be on. So after delivery, you see, yeah. So I type lamp 3. So this is the delivery report. So I'm going to type lamp 3 also will be on, and then as you see, lamp, yeah, you see. So I'm going to turn both of these off. So I'm going to type. Also I'm going to switch this socket. So I'm going to light socket on. So see, also the socket will be on. I can try to put a charge and see what is going on. So now this is on. As you see, that also is on. So if I need to turn both off, I can type all will be off or one by one also. So I'm going to type. So I can type lamp 2 off. Lamp 2 off. So click off, light off, and then send. So see also this lamp 2 will be off. Instead of turning one by one, so I can type all off. So and then send. So C also will be off, as you see. So after delivery, you see the SMS. This will be off one time. So I can turn it both on. I can type all on. So click and send SMS. So this one. So just see, you see, all will be on. So this is show you. So yeah, I think there are some